you try not to lose work time. You try not to lose work time in that period where you know that you need it. But realize that also your own discipline will start to falter at this point. There becomes an element where you need to stiffen your discipline, if only because you need to work hard, and it adds a strain. It adds a strain to you, a composure strain. There's this one element, right, which you need to observe or keep an eye on, which is your composure. It's a bit immaterial compared to other things, but it is definitely a factor. You're not working at peak efficiency all the time, depending on the randomity that is happening in your life. If there's a lot of randomity, realize that your composure is affected and your work is therefore affected. Even if you have the same amount of hours in the day, a calm day where nothing really is concerning and nothing is going on is going to be a better day for working than everything is happening, everything is going on all at the same time, kind of bad things, 3 of them, so on and so forth. That one person, it's going to affect your efficiency. So what you need to do is economize by making it so that you gain composure. Reduce the randomity in your environment, reduce any confusions, get your ex out of your... Whatever it is that you need to do, you know what I'm talking about. But the essence of it is you need to reduce things that make you less composed in periods of time where you need to work. The period of time in which you need to work, normally it's a bit of a pinch or like a squeezing type of period. I'm not talking about normal operation. I'm talking about sort of intense periods. You know the ones that I'm talking about. That, okay, rent is coming up and I don't fully, we need to make dots connect, or staff pay is coming up, or, there's this one customer I need to refund and I need to get around to it, goddammit. These types of situations where you're feeling a bit of pressure, right? Realize that the pressure itself will make you lose composure, so you need to manually gain composure by setting yourself up for momentum, setting yourself up for focus, and removing things that would disturb you. Of course, there's no such thing as the ideal scene, but all I'm saying to you is to economize, save on the last minute, save on your composure, make it so you're as composed as possible, and that's the essence of it. You need to economize. The things that will stop you from economizing are, in essence, if you don't keep an eye on your composure and also get distracted thereby. And that's the main element, distraction and not knowing to keep an eye on your composure. To some extent, it's also a discipline point. Realize that things will run away with you in these pressure times and you'll find yourself floating away. But it's a result of the pressure making you less composed, and it's almost as if the universe responds to an emergency situation by making something exciting pop up. So somehow it's a discipline point, something exciting in a good way or exciting in a bad way, something to pop up to distract you from locking in. The idea is to lock in anyway and be aware that the universe is going to combat you at this point in time. And this will allow you to get up to that point of smooth, normal operation. If you somehow don't observe these facts, you're at a higher risk of just losing your composure, which is not ideal, to say the least. But it's about this small efficiency, using the last minute, this small efficiency, maintaining your composure, polishing up and increasing your composure. That's the difference between your job working well, work going well, and work not going well and receding into a dangerous condition, a dangerous situation. You have even more pressure from said client or from said situation. Yeah? So you need to observe for these two things in order to be able to economize in this sort of emergency type situation. It's not dangerous yet, but you know there's pressure. And this is where this advice applies. Maintain your composure and respect the last minute, because the last minute is always holy. And the last minute is the difference between the elites, that last minute.